Hello. Before you start setting up a remarketing campaign for your Google Ads campaigns, you need to build a audience list. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an audience list from Google Analytics and then import them into Google Ads. Hello, my name is Uzair and thanks for joining in. If you like videos like this one, then please don't forget to subscribe and you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload similar videos like this one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a remarketing audience list in Google Analytics, which can then be imported in Google Ads and can be used for remarketing purposes. So let's go on to our Google Analytics dashboard. From your admin at the bottom left, go to audience definitions and then audiences. Create a new one. Create new. And then under conditions, you go to add content and type in session D and you will see session duration. So we want to go less than or equal to 5 seconds. Or if you want to put in a different time range or duration, you can, but I usually keep my bouncers at 5 seconds or less. Apply. Membership duration is 30 days and I'm gonna name it bounces. Next, and then you are going to link it to your AdWords account. So you need to have your Google AdWords or Google Ads account linked to Analytics. Check that. Publish, and you have created your audience list for all those people who bounce off your website or landing page. So this is how easy it is to create your audience list in Google Analytics. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any comments or questions, please do put them in the comment box below and I will do my best to answer them for you. Thanks for joining in. Bye for now.